to get rid of this annoying sound on your microphone. So, you have a Yeti microphone. It sounds great, but sometimes you have a noisy problem. A problem sounding like this one. Recognize it? Pretty annoying. Want to know what it is? It's your phone. See? Just interference, and you can have it even when it's quite far. So, the solution, when you're recording, just put your phone on airplane mode, and you'll be good to go. By the way, if you're interested to sound like this, I only connect the Yeti into a Zoom H5. You can order the Yeti Pro with the pop filter and the Zoom H5 from the link in the description. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there is from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!